Every day, more and more consumers are using AI for product discovery. ChatGPT, Gemini, and other assistants are a key way customers get answers to make purchase decisions. Now, AI is moving from answers to actions. Agentic commerce brings the transaction itself to AI assistants. This will accelerate, especially now that Google and OpenAI have introduced protocols for merchants, so that AI agents can find and buy their products. As agentic commerce grows, merchants need a way to show their full value to customers. This is why we introduced the Unified Incentives Protocol. UIP is how we ensure that every loyalty and promotion mechanism can be accessed by agents. It's a platform-agnostic standard that allows merchants to surface incentives across the shopping lifecycle. Let's see our UIP vision in action. A customer asks an agent for help choosing the right product during discovery. The agent looks at features and requirements in their product feed. With UIP, existing loyalty relationships and other benefits are also taken into account. The agent now ranks products based on the total value, not just price. As the customer gets closer to checkout, they can see their status, their progress, and even redeem points. After checkout, points, tiers, and rewards are updated immediately. In the near future, UIP will also enable brands to re-engage through AI assistants, like awarding a customer points for leaving a review. We already launched the first building blocks of UIP. Our loyalty and promotions extensions for UCP are available now. UIP will extend across discoverability, checkout, and engagement. The standard is designed to work across all AI platforms. To learn more, join us for the 2026 Product Roadmap webinar.